मैं राजवीर सिंह सोराण, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर इन केमिस्ट्री, SRR मोरारका गवर्नमेंट PG कॉलेज झुंझुनू। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू स्टूडेंट्स। पिछले कंटेंट के अंदर अपन ने MSc फाइनल का पेपर सेकंड जो है बायो इनऑर्गेनिक, बायो ऑर्गेनिक, बायोफिजिकल केमिस्ट्री वाला पेपर जो वो स्टार्ट किया था। उसमें फर्स्ट यूनिट जो मैंने आपको बताई थी वो बायो इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री की, और उसके अंदर भी अपन ने क्या चीज़ डिस्कस की थी कि मेटल आयंस इन बायोलॉजिकल सिस्टम। मीन्स वी कैन से दैट बायोलॉजिकल, what is the biological role of some metal ions, for example iron, zinc, copper, cobalt, nickel, chromium, molybdenum, कैल्शियम, मैंगनीज और मैग्नीशियम एट्सेट्रा। तो इसको आपने पढ़ लिया होगा। अब इसी यूनिट के अंदर नेक्स्ट जो टॉपिक है जो आज अपन डिस्कस करेंगे उसका नाम है फेरिडोक्सिन। फेरिडोक्सिन क्या है, व्हाट इज़ फेरिडोक्सिन एंड इट्स क्लासिफिकेशन। तो ये जो टॉपिक है इसको आज अपन डिस्कस करेंगे। फेरिडोक्सिन, फेरिडोक्सिन्स आर द प्रोटीन्स containing iron sulfur cluster as a prosthetic group. Means you will ask me what is prosthetic group. So we can say a prosthetic group is a non-protein, means non-amino acid component of a conjugated protein, or we can say that ferridoxins are acidic, low molecular weight, soluble iron sulfur proteins found in various organisms and act as a multiple, or we can say multifunctional electron carriers in diverse redox system. Means they are ancient, small and reside in the cytosol. They function in various redox reactions, means oxidation reduction system, but most notably in nitrogen fixation and photosynthesis. They can be divided into two broad groups. One, bacterial ferridoxin, which contains 4 iron and 4 sulfur cluster, means in bacteria and archaea. And second, the plant ferridoxin, which contains 2 iron and 2 sulfur cluster and are found primarily in cyanobacteria, plasticides and vertebrates. In protein, the cubane 4 iron sulfur unit is usually coordinated by the amino acid cysteine. Means the 4 iron sulfur core functions as electron transfer agents, usually between the following oxidation state. Means 4 iron sulfur plus 1, or it may be plus 2, or 4 iron sulfur plus 3 oxidation state. A fourth state, the all ferrous species is 4 iron 4 sulfur 0 state, was also detected in the iron protein of nitrogenase. Iron sulfur proteins are defined as proteins carrying iron sulfur clusters in which the iron is at least partially coordinated by sulfur. Means iron sulfur clusters are prosthetic group commonly found in various proteins that participates in redox reactions and analysis. In most, the iron is found to sulfur from cysteine residue in backbone and also in inorganic sulfurs in the iron sulfur cluster. The chief role of iron sulfur cluster is to facilitate the electron transfer, while in other the clusters to catalytic function. 2 iron 2 sulfur cluster means the 2 iron atoms are bridged to one another by 2 inorganic sulfur atoms to form cysteine from peptide backbone. Second, the 4 iron 4 sulfur cluster means the 4 iron atoms are ligated to 4 cysteines and form a cubic structure with inorganic sulfur atoms. See the 3 iron and 4s yani 4 sulfur cluster. A single iron of 4Fe4s cluster is absent. Now we can say overall ferredoxin, yani the term ferredoxin was first of all coined by D.C. Watson of the DuPont and others, and iron protein first purified in 1962 by Mortensen, Weltin and Kuhlmann. Another isolated from Spanish chloroplastics by Tegua and unknown in 1962 was termed as chloroplast ferredoxin. The chloroplast ferredoxin is involved in both cyclic phosphorylase reactions of photosynthesis and in non-cyclic photosynthesis या phosphorylation. Ferredoxin is the last electron acceptor and reduces in NADP plus reductase. It picks up the electron produced from sunlight excited and transfer them to enzyme ferredoxin NADP plus oxidoreduce. Ferredoxins are small proteins containing iron and sulfur atoms organized as iron sulfur cluster. These biological capacitors can accept or discharge electron, the effect being change in the oxidation state +2 to +3 in the iron atom. This way we can say ferredoxin acts as electron transfer agents in biological redox reactions. Other bioorganic electron transfer system includes riboflavin, cytochromes, blue copper proteins and the structurally related risk proteins. Ferredoxins can be classified according to the nature of their iron sulfur cluster and by sequence similarly. First of all we can say plant type ferredoxins. One of the ferredoxin originally found in chloroplast membrane has been termed chloroplast type or plant type. The active center is a Fe2S2 cluster iron sulfide where the iron atoms are tetrahedrally coordinated by the inorganic sulfur atom and by the sulfurs provided by 4 conserved cysteine residue. In chloroplast Fe2S2, ferredoxin functions as electron carrier in photosynthetic electron transfer chain and as electron donor to various cellular proteins such as glutamic synthase, nitrate reductase and sulfur reductase. In hydroxylating bacterial dioxygenate system, they serve as intermediate electron transfer carrier between reductase Flavertin and oxygenase. Andrenoxotin type ferredoxin, ये भी same is this is also is same type as above. We discussed the plant type ferredoxin. In a similar way, andrenotoxin, pterodotoxin and terpirodoxins are soluble Fe2S2 proteins that act as single electron carriers in mitochondrial monoxidase system. Andrenotoxin transfers electron from NADPH and it reduces to membrane bound cytochrome P45. In bacteria, pyridoxines and the terpirodoxins serve as electron carriers between corresponding NADH dependent ferredoxins reduces the soluble. The exact function of the other member of this family are not known, although they may be shown to involved in the biogenesis of iron sulfur cluster. Next, thyrodoxin like ferredoxin, Fe2S2 ferredoxin from Clasridium pastorianum CP2FEFD has been recognized as distinct protein family on the basis of its amino acid sequence, spectroscopic properties of its iron sulfur cluster, and the unique ligand swapping ability of two cysteine ligands to the Fe2S2 cluster. Although the physiological role of axis ferredoxin remains unclear, a strong and specific interaction of CP2FEFD with the molybdenum iron protein of nitrogenous has been revealed. Homogeneous ferredoxin from azobacterial vinylidene AV2FEFD and Equifax arylenes AAFD has been characterized. The crystal structure of AAFD has been solved. AAFD exists as a dimer. The structure of AAFD monomer is different from the other Fe2S2 ferredoxin. Means the fold belongs to the alpha plus beta class with the first 4 beta strands and 2 alpha helix adopting a variant of the thyrodoxin fold. Now Fe4S4 and Fe2S4 ferredoxin. Fe4S4 ferredoxins may be further subdivided into low potential bacterial type and the high potential ferredoxins. Low and high potential ferredoxins are related by the following redox scheme. High potential ferredoxin means oxidized Fe4S4 3+. When it gains 1 electron, it reduces into Fe4S4 2+. Reduces. And when one more electron is added to this system, then Fe4S4 plus is reduced, and this is called low potential ferredoxin. The formal oxidation number of the ions can be Fe3+, 2Fe3+, 2Fe2+, or 1Fe3+, 3Fe2+. In low potential ferredoxin, the oxidation number of the ions in high potential ferredoxin can be Fe3+, Fe2+, or 2Fe3+, 2Fe2+. Then bacterial type ferredoxins A group of Fe4S4 ferredoxins originally found in bacteria has been termed as bacterial type. Means bacterial type ferredoxins may in TIM be subdivided into further groups based on their sequence properties. Most contains at least one conserved domain including 4 cysteine residue that binds to a Fe4S4 cluster. In Pyrococcus fibers, Fe4S4 ferredoxin, one of the conserved cysteine residue, is substituted with aspartic acid. During the evolution of bacterial type ferredoxin, intrasequence gene duplication, transposition and fusion events occurred, resulting in the appearance of protein with multiple iron sulfur centers. In some bacterial ferredoxins, one of the duplicated domain has lost one or more of the 4 conserved cysteine residue. These domains have lost their iron sulfur binding property or binds to a Fe3S4 cluster instead of a Fe4S4 cluster. The 3D structures are known for a number of monocluster and dicluster bacterial type ferredoxins. The old belongs to the alpha plus beta classes with 2,7 alpha helix and 4 beta strands forming a barrel-like structure and are extruded looping containing 3 proximal cysteine ligands of the iron sulfur cluster. High potential iron sulfur proteins. Potential iron sulfur proteins form a unique family of Fe4S4 ferredoxins that function in anaerobic electron transport chain. Some high potential iron sulfur proteins have a redox potential higher than any other known iron sulfur proteins. Has a redox potential. Several high have so far been characterized structurally, their folds belonging to the alpha plus beta classes, as in other bacterial ferredoxins. The Fe4S4 cluster adopts a cubane-like conformation and is ligated to the proteins via 4 cysteine residue. थैंक यू. आज के कंटेंट में इतना ही पढ़ाएंगे. नेक्स्ट इसी यूनिट को अपन वी विल कंटिन्यू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक in the same part. Any same unit we will continue in the next e-content. Thanks.